What new drone attacks hit Moscow at night amid the Ukraine conflict? Recent strikes have shocked the world, revealing a surprising escalation and new tactics in this ongoing conflict you need to understand. In the past weeks, Moscow has experienced several drone attacks during the night. These strikes are a new development in the Ukraine conflict, signaling a shift in tactics. Unlike earlier, which focused mainly on front lines, these attacks have reached deep into Russian territory, hitting key infrastructure and military sites. The drones used are often small, making detection and interception difficult, heightening the sense of vulnerability in the Russian capital. The attacks utilize a range of drone technology, including commercially available quadcopters modified for military use. These drones carry small explosive payloads or surveillance equipment, allowing forces to gather intelligence or cause damage without risking personnel. Their low flight path and small size make radar detection challenging, forcing Russian air defenses to adapt quickly. This technological edge gives Ukrainian forces a surprising reach into Moscow's airspace. Beyond physical damage, the drone strikes serve a strategic purpose. By hitting Moscow, Ukrainian forces aim to shake Russian civilian and military morale. The psychological impact forces Moscow to divert resources to defend its own capital, potentially weakening offensive operations elsewhere. This marks an evolution in the conflict, where psychological and asymmetric warfare plays a growing role alongside traditional battles. The new wave of nighttime drone attacks on Moscow reveals a surprising shift in the Ukraine conflict. These small but effective strikes highlight how technology and psychological tactics reshape war. Stay curious and hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.